Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mike Rips, and today we ripped into a new Traeger. We got the Ironwood XL. We just did the seasoning on it, and this is going to be our first cook. Right now I'm going down to 185 in super smoke mode. We got some chicken wings we're going to throw on there, and we're going to do about 20 minutes on the super smoke mode. And then we are going to raise the temperature up to 250. We'll cook them for 45 minutes. Then we're going to flip them and cook them for an hour at 250. So let's see how this works out. A lot of wings here. We just got a package of wings just from Costco. I believe they're garlic flavored. So we put a little wood-fired garlic Kinder seasoning on top. And we're just gonna rock these out, spread them out. And then we have our tongs and we are going to flip them. Everyone says don't use metal tongs on the Traeger surface. So we'll see you all back for the next video, and we'll have the completed product. Like, comment, subscribe.